heard about blackened chicken, blackened fish. I'm going to make blackened New York strip steak. And I'm using Paul Prudhomme's Cajun Magic. We'll put this on. Pat it. The steak, they're not that thick. This one is a half an inch thick. I mean 1 inch. This is 1 inch. And now we go to the most important part. That's a cast iron pan. That's been sitting on the high flame for almost 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's smoking. No oil is needed. When you make blackened fish and you put it in the pan, that fish has to start jumping up and down because of the extreme heat. So, we're going to put this in, and it's not going to smoke that much, hopefully, because there's no oil being used. And I'm leaving this running now, so you can actually see the amount of time it's going to take to finish cooking this. Hopefully my smoke alarm won't go on. I've done this many a time like this. And it's different, gives it a different flavor than when you put it in underneath in the oven under the broiler. And if you like this idea, I also have a recipe for the Cajun seasoning if you have no place to buy it. Because when I worked with Paul Prudhomme at Commander's Palace in New Orleans many years ago, I saw him make the mix, which is different than this one commercial mix that he made. Because I remember the taste, and I know the items that went into it, because he gave me a list. Here, make it. And the only difference between the meat one and the seafood fish one is the seafood fish one has paprika, but all the other ingredients are the same. Now let's see what this looks like. Look at that. We like our meats rare here. And this searing, it's smoking up a little. It's just the fat is melting on the steak. And I might put my fan on, the exhaust. This one is the inch one. This one is slightly under an inch. That's why I didn't turn it yet. And I'm going to take out this one, because I like my steak rare, and I'm going to give the larger one to the lady of the house. That flame that's on the large flame as high as you can go. And what I'm going to do is say now, this steak here, which is a little under 1 inch, is done. So now you see how much time it took for that. And this is what? Another half a minute? Well, anyway, that's the demonstration on a blackened New York strip steak. Hope you enjoy it.